Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to combine shipping in eBay. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this, first of all, you need to tap open a web browser of your preference, and you need to go in the official website of your eBay and go in the seller's hub. So once you are in the seller's hub, all you can see is this kind of interface. So once you are here, all you need to do now is simply select the items that has been made or purchased by the same person. So once you tick on the purchases that has been made, you can simply go and tap on shipping and tap on purchase shipping label. So once you tap on the purchase shipping label, you will be redirected to a different kind of interface which will allow you to get this option called combine orders per buyer. So simply tap on that particular option, and after you have done this, you can simply combine your shipping of the items that has been purchased by the same buyer. I hope you find this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.